Hello student, in this video we are talking about the comparison study between solution, colloids, solution, suspension and colloids. How it? Let's see. Comparison between solution, suspension and colloids. And solution, suspension and colloids. These are the heading. Solution comparison study between solution, suspension and colloids. Let's make a chart. Solution, suspension and here is the conditions. And here is a solution. Here is a suspension. And here is a colloids. Let's see one by one. Condition is visibility. Visibility. Visibility is that solution particles of solution solute particles the visibility of solute particles of solution is no. In case of suspension is visible. In case of colloids, no. But in beam of light, here is another condition, which is size of particles. The solid particles of the solution is less than 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Suspension, the size of solid particles of suspension is more than 10 to the power minus 9 meter. It is solvent. It is at 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Another condition is Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is solution, the solid particles did not show no, they may not, may be or may not be. May be or may not be means when the suspension in the suspension mixture, the solid particles are suspended, the Tyndall effects of suspended suspension mixture will show, but after the settle down of the solid particle of suspension, the suspension mixture is not show the Tyndall effect. That's why I am writing here. Maybe when the solute are present into the proper solvent, Tyndall effect not so, because if you left the undisturbed the suspension solution, the solid particle get settled down. And let's see about colloids. They show or always show Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. Next property of this Brownian motion. Solution or did not show where may be or may not be. They show always Brownian motion. Another is separate by filtration. So here is conditions. Visibility in solution is no. Visibility of suspension particle is visible. Colloids not, but in beam of light, the particles of colloids are visible. Size of particles less than 10 to the power minus 9 meter, more than 10 to the power minus 9 meter. It is in near about 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Here is Tyndall effect. The solid particle of solution did not show the Tyndall effect. These suspensions or may be or may not be. Colloid particles show the phenomena of Tyndall effects. This always show Tyndall effect. Brownian motion did not show the Brownian motion in the case of solution. May be